ಮುಂದೆ ನೀವು ನಿಗದಿಯಾದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದು ಬಳಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತೇನೆ, ಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಆರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಹಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಲರ್ನ್ ಟುಡೇ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. You know about continuous. Future continuous time is used to talk about actions that will continue for a period of time in future. Future continuous time, that is your future plans to do activities continuously in the future for a period of 5 minutes or 10 minutes or half an hour in future or more than that. Friends, say in Kannada, ನೀವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಆವಾಗ ಆಗಲೇ ಸಮಯ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಹೋದರೆ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಆಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಗೆ? ನೀನು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾ, ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ನೀನು ಬಾ, ನಾನು ಟಿಕೆಟ್ನ ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಲರ್ನ್ ನೌ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಯರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಎನಿ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ನೇಮ್. ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಈಸ್ helping go for totally future tense. Will means here tene. Okay. Then be is here helping go for future continuous time. Be means iru. So will be means iruttene. Afterwards is here present verb. Then add ing to present verb because it is continuous time. Then use here an object, then use here adverb if you like to mention time. Friends, example, I say what I or my family members will be doing tomorrow in a particular time. For example, my children will be going to school tomorrow between 9 to 9:30 morning. Means ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾಳೆ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಾರೆ 9 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 9:30 ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, I will be in my office from 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock. See friends, in this sentence there is no ing verb, but it is also future continuous time. I means ನಾನು, will be means ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ, ನಾನು ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಚೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. So there is no present verb and ing verb, but it is also future continuous time. Next, my wife will be cooking supper tomorrow. I will be there means ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೇನೆ. Here also there is no ing verb, but it is also future continuous time. Next question, I and my teammates will be watching TV after this class. Friends, now my teammates will say what they will be doing tomorrow in a particular time. Watch now.
I will be brushing my teeth tomorrow morning.
I will be preparing breakfast tomorrow.
I will be going to school tomorrow morning by 9 to 9:30. I will be in my house by evening tomorrow.
She will be going to school with him tomorrow.
He will be riding bicycle tomorrow morning.
She will be eating breakfast tomorrow morning.
Friends, say now what you and your family members will be doing tomorrow in a particular time. ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಗದಿಯ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರು ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ. Friends, learn now negative sentence. It's very easy. Just add not between will and be. First is your subject, will, then not, then be. Will not be means irudilla or irodilla. Then is your ing verb, then object, then adverb if you want to mention type. Example, I will not be watching TV tomorrow morning. ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಟಿವಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. I will not be going to Bengaluru tomorrow. You will not be waiting for me tomorrow in your house, right? Next, my children will not be in house tomorrow at school time. I will not be so young after a few years. Friends, now my teammates will say some examples. Watch.
I will not be going to school tomorrow by car.
I will not be playing at night.
I will not be sleeping tomorrow at 8 o'clock.
I will not be riding bicycle tomorrow morning.
Friends, pause your TV and say what you will not be doing in a certain time tomorrow. Otherwise, what your family members will not be doing tomorrow. Now say each other and practice. Friends, learn now positive yes or no question. Always use helping verb first, then it will become yes or no question form. There will be your helping verb, then use your subject, then use your be because it is a continuous time, future continuous. Then use your present verb, then add ing to present verb, then write question object, then add verb, then a question mark. Example, will you be watching TV tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock? Means ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು ನಾಳೆ ಟಿವಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 9 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ?
No, I will not be.
No, I will not be.
Will your friend be in your house at 8 a.m. tomorrow?
No, she will not be.
No, she will not be.
Yes.
Next question, will your mother be cooking tonight?
No, she will not be.
Yes, she will be.
No, she will not be.
Friends, this question is only for you. You have to answer. Will I be in your memory after few years? Friends, I say it in Kannada. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆನಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಂತರ ಇರ್ತೀನಾ?
Will you be in the house tomorrow afternoon?
Yes, I will be. Will you be waiting for uncle tonight?
Yes, I will be.
Will you be writing exam tomorrow?
No, I will not be.
Will you be preparing chapati tomorrow morning?
No, I will not be.
Friends, pause your TV and question each other. Practice more. Learn now negative yes or no question. First use your will, then subject, then use your not between subject and be. Afterwards use your present verb, then ing, then object, then adverb, then a question mark. For example, will you not be brushing your teeth tomorrow morning?
Yes,
I will be.
Next question, will you not be in film theater for first show tomorrow?
No, I will not be.
No, I will not be.
No, I will not be. No, I will not be.
No, I will not be.
No, I will not be.
Next question, will your parents not be waiting for you tonight?
Yes, they will be.
Next question, Will the present CM not be in position after 10 years?
No, he will not be.
I don't know.
Next question. Will your mother not be going to market on next Sunday?
No, my mother will not, but my father will be going. No, my mother will not be. No, but my father will be going. Will you not be writing exam in March? Yes, I will be.
Will uncle not be going to Bangalore tomorrow?
No, he will not be.
Will he not be in house tonight? Yes, he will be.
Will you not be washing clothes tomorrow morning?
Yes, I will be.
Will you not be writing homework this evening?
Yes, I will be. Will you not be watching Pogo channel tonight?
Yes, I will be.
Friends, pause your TV and ask yes or no question. It may be positive or negative yes or no question. Ask to know about your family members' future activities. Friends, learn now positive information question. I told you many times, just use question word in front of yes or no question formula. This much is yes or no question formula. For example, whom will you be waiting tomorrow?
I will be waiting to my client.
I will be waiting for my husband.
I will be waiting for my school van at 9 o'clock tomorrow.
I will be waiting for milkmaid tomorrow morning.
I will be waiting for my mama.
I will be waiting for lunch break at 1:30 p.m. I will be waiting for my father.
Next question. Where will your family members be tonight?
They will be at home.
Next question. What will your mother be cooking tomorrow for tiffin?
She will be cooking chapati.
She will be cooking Maggie.
She will be cooking pulao. She will be cooking dosa.
Friends, next question. Where will you be going to tonight? Means, where means here? Yelli. To means gay. Usually we use in Kannada ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದದ ನಂತರ ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಬಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನೈಟ್?
I will be going to the bookstore to buy a book.
Not going anyway.
I will not be going anywhere.
I will be going to the bookstore to buy a book tomorrow.
I will not be going anywhere.
We will not be going anywhere.
Friends, positive information question using question on who. It is very easy. Use your first who, then will, then be. Don't use here any subject. Then present verb, then ing, add ing to present verb. Then object, then add verb, then a question mark. For example, who will be waiting for you tomorrow?
My children will be waiting for me.
My mother will be waiting for us. My parents will be waiting for us.
Next question. Who will be cooking in your house tomorrow evening?
Our cousin will be cooking tomorrow evening. Our grandmother will be cooking tomorrow evening.
I will be cooking tomorrow evening.
My mother-in-law will be cooking in my house tomorrow evening.
Next question. Who will be watching TV with you tomorrow?
My husband will be watching TV with me tomorrow.
My wife will be watching TV with me tomorrow.
My family members will be watching TV with me tomorrow.
She will be watching TV with me tomorrow. My brother will be watching TV with me tomorrow.
Friends, learn now negative information question using question on who. First use your who, then will, then not be. Will not be. Then use a present verb, then add ing, then object, then add verb, then question mark. For example, Who will not be in your house tomorrow afternoon?
We will not be in our house tomorrow afternoon.
My children will not be in my house tomorrow afternoon.
We will not be in our house tomorrow afternoon.
My parents will not be in my house tomorrow afternoon.
Next question. Who will not be eating tiffin tomorrow morning in your house?
I will not be eating tiffin tomorrow because I am fasting.
My wife will not be eating tiffin tomorrow morning.
My husband and I will not be eating tiffin tomorrow morning.
I will not be eating.
Friends, pause your TV and ask positive information question or negative information question. Practice more and more. Again I say friends, watch English news daily and watch English any program. Read English books or newspaper or jokes or story books, and always think in English and try to speak English with your family members to improve your English. Friends, your inner heart, your mind is your best